you are looking for a quick and easy way to migrate your full WordPress website from one server to another, including all files, plugins, uploads, and database, then this tip is definitely something for you. So we all know how annoying it is to download all your files locally, export your database, which is sometimes way too big, upload all the files, import all the files, import the database, and then start to replace all your internal URLs. This takes easily 1 hour. But I think 2 years ago I found a free, very nice plugin that will help to make life easy for you. So it's called Migrate Guru, this plugin, and what it does is, let's say I want to migrate from one hosting to, for example, this hosting, which is on Kinsta. Then I connect on both WordPress sites this plugin, and via a key I migrate all my files and databases via a in-between server. This server downloads everything and exports the database to there, and then it uploads it to my other server. It's completely free, which is awesome. And then afterwards it also automatically replaces everything to the domain of the new installation. So let me demo it to you. So I've installed it here already. So I need to move myself a little bit. Migrate Guru here, and I have Migrate Guru here. So then here, this is the hosting, basically the source hosting, and this is the target hosting. So here I enter my email address, let's say test@email.com. This email list will give you updates about your migration. And then you can select something, and I'm going to migrate to Kinsta, which is here. And then it asks you for a Migrate Guru migration key. And then it says, what's this? Download Migrate Guru, install the plugin on the destination site, that's here, and then copy the migration key. So I copy this key, copy key, and I paste it in here. And that's everything. And then here you have all the tables. You can also deselect tables or deselect files, but I want everything in admin content and includes. And then I simply click migrate, and the process starts. So now Migrate Guru is going to connect via the plugin to the source hosted WordPress website. It starts to download all the files. Here is a progress interface. It starts to download everything, and if it has downloaded everything, it starts to upload it to the new hosting, and then it also automatically replaces everything for you. So the whole database is up to date with the new URL. So you can imagine that this saves you a lot of time. You don't have to do things yourself anymore. You don't have to deal with large databases or large files, and it's all free. So it's amazing. So I hope you like this tip. If you want more WordPress related tips, please like and subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Ciao.